Hello, hello! I'm with our interns. We'll be asking them some questions regarding their internships.
Hi, I'm Kat po.
What's your position and department are you in this company?
I'm under Tax and Accounting Services po.
That means that you handle some tax and accounting work for this company.
Yes po.
How was your internship in the company?
It's very fruitful po given na 400 hours lang kami dito. Pero sobrang dami po namin na-accomplish na task and also natutunan from this field.
Magbigay ka naman ng mga ilan sa mga natutunan mo sa ating internship na nangyari.
So, ang pinakamahalaga po talaga namin natutunan dito is yung filing po ng BIR forms, which is very practical po. And alam po namin na magagamit po siya namin sa aming future profession po. Since yun nga po, nasa accounting and tax field po kami. So, magagamit po talaga namin yung kung paano po mag-file through using the EBIR forms.
So, let